G'day guys, these Peugeot 207s with these engines. See up there, that star bolt, multi-star, that's a 21. So what you do, you pull that towards the front of the car from the top and then push that sprung loaded plunger behind it, if you can see it, into the hole. So that's just there. Can you see it? There. Okay, that's very easy. Then what you do, I was a bit intimidated here because it wouldn't move, and now that I've released these bolts, it's moved. But basically for this belt water pump drive, you just pull this out and it will bring this down and allow you to get the belt out. But with me it wouldn't move, so I took the crankshaft pulley off and now it's decided to move down. So I had to actually pull this out and pull this down a little bit, and it is spring loaded back up. Check that it does all contact, as you can see. I hope that helps. Sorry about the poor visibility. Maybe that's a bit better there. You can see it now. So there's that star 21 and you've got the plunger at the back. So pull that one clockwise up, clockwise from the top, and then push that plunger in and then bring the wheel liner away. This guy hasn't got his lock nut, so I've had to manage, but if you can pull the wheel off, pull the wheel off. I've got a customer, so I better go. Hope that helps.